Let's fill out the Oregon Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together. And do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling a dirt bike in this state, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, you'll need the title, and the VIN on that title must match the VIN on the actual vehicle. So double-check that before you do anything else. Next, you'll need an original odometer disclosure. That's a record of the mileage at the time of the sale. When it comes to signing, both you and the buyer must sign the paperwork. And you can do that either on the back of the title itself or on a separate bill of sale. If there's a lien on the bike, you'll also need a certification of liens. That shows the lien has been addressed before the sale goes through. If the bike has changed hands before, make sure you have bills of sale from any previous owners. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.